What's up, guys? Welcome back to Cocktails and Conjuring. I am your host, your friend, Billy Hardy, and on this episode, we're gonna build one of my favorite drinks of all time, the Tom Collins. But first, before we get into the actual video, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be right there. Jess, can you point that? That's the notification bell. Go ahead and press that too. I got videos coming up and I want you to see them. And by hitting that bell, you get notified whenever that happens. Guys, my guest today is the most beautiful, the most vivacious, earth-going. She's got everything going for her. You're a yogi, bartender, jewelry maker, bartender. I mean, she does it all.
All the things.
Jess Clutter, she is amazing. Guys, I'll leave the link for her down below. Check her out on Instagram. She's got some fantastic stuff that you need to pick up. Also, don't forget, in my descriptions, you'll see my link to Barfly, some of the sexiest, most just juicy, good bar tools that you'll ever need. I mean, you will look classy. I don't know why I'm doing this.
I don't know,
I don't know, but it looks good. Yes. But anyway, so guys, let's shoot the video. All right, guys, before we start building this drink, a brief history lesson of the Tom Collins. Its original name was called the John Collins, and it was created by a bartender with the exact same name, John Collins. He worked at the Lemur's Bar in London, England, and he created the drink in, it doesn't have a correct date anywhere I could find, but it looks like in the mid-1800s. I mean, passed away in 1854, so it had to be before then. As time went on, the name got changed when Jerry Thomas, the father of American mixology, wrote his book, The Bartender's Guide. He actually changed the name from John Collins to Tom Collins. So I guess he went off his last name. I don't know where he came with the name Tom. I guess from Thomas.
Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry. We'll just go with that. So guys, that is your history lesson. All right, gang, some tools and ingredients that we're going to be using to make this drink. Jess, let's go over the tools real quick.
I'm glad you asked, Billy. We have a measuring cup, a shaker
tin, yeah.
Jigger, 1.5.5, strainer, and tongs.
Tongs. Don't ever want to touch your junk. Anyway, so ingredients-wise, what do we have over here?
Also, we have club soda, Tanqueray gin.
Now, I use Tanqueray because a classic Tom Collins or a John Collins is made with London dry gin, not a spicy or dirty gin, but definitely a London dry.
Simple syrup, lemon juice, ice.
Ice, there you go. You ready to start building?
I'm ready.
Let's go ahead and take your glass, go ahead and fill up with ice there. Oh, you're about to go with the hand. Now we want to do for the Tom Collins, we're going to do 2 ounces of gin. So remember, we have 1.5 by half, and that makes 2. I got another bottle over there. Trust me, I'm good. Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Right.
Okay. We're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. There you go.
Done.
We're going to do a 3/4 of our freshly squeezed lemon juice.
How much?
3/4.
Sorry to keep elbowing.
There you go.
Okay.
And lock that in. Shake that puppy up. You want to shake it about 10 to 15 seconds. Break up the ice, get it nice and chilled. be good. And look at that glass, how cold it is. That's cool. And pour it over our ice. There you go, and always leave room. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna use one of these cubes.
Yeah.
Right on top. Oh, we didn't see that happening. That might actually stay. That might not go in the blooper reel. It could.
Right there. Just a topper.
Top it off with some club soda.
There we go.
Fantastic, and we're gonna garnish it with a lemon. And usually people use cherries as well. I don't really care.
Did you cut?
I don't care.
Did you cut
Yeah,
the
I
lime?
did.
I mean, did you cut the
thought I
line
did.
down the lemon?
Grab
Billy?
another one. I think I did.
Bartending 101.
Bartending.
There we go.
We did it. We did it. And guys, that looks like an amazing Tom Collins. The only thing we have to do now is see how it tastes.
Yes.
Jess?
Me. Darn, that's good.
It's refreshing, isn't it? Yes. It's very good. Look, I'm gonna have to. Yeah, that's pretty good. Guys, do us a big favor. Check out Jess. I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can go check her out on Instagram. Go pick up some of her fantastic stuff that she creates. Also, do all the fun stuff. Hit the like button if you like this video. If you don't like it, hit it anyway. I mean, really, it's not gonna hurt you. It's only gonna help me. Also, do all the fun stuff like subscribe to the channel, go ahead and hit the notification bell. Check out the link down below for Barfly, my affiliate, because by using Barfly, you don't have to pay me for this channel. I know you want to pay me for all this good stuff, right? But actually helps me out, helps me finance the whole YouTube channel and all that fun jazz, but that's boring. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I love Jess, I love you. We'll see you on the next video.
Woo!